Okay, so we're here. Okay, so we're here in the room, getting ready to go to the Mad Tea Party. And look what they created within the spur of the moment. Ready? Oh, wait. She's ready.
Cheering.
Cheering. Calvi segment. This is segment for days.
Is this like number?
No, 4, 5.
1. I don't know.
This is the most Calvi segments that has been in this.
We're gonna go 7, 8, 9, 10 by the end of tonight. So
yes.
Stay tuned.
Yes.
It's gonna get amazing.
Yes, it will be amazing. It will be amazing. Oh.
We're all like matching with
Woohoo! Yes. Cheering. Cheers.
I'm mildly intoxicated already.
Yes. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Yes. Cheering. You're matching with Kaulana. I'm matching with Darren with my aloha shirt.
Yes.
Shaka, yes. So we're all going out matching. Yep. It's perks.
Like this. We didn't plan hard.
It's the bag. Yeah, we didn't plan it. Well, you know, we did. Well, not really. No, we didn't. We didn't plan it. It was just spur of the moment. Which that costume is spur of the moment. Oh!
Did you just see that?
Yes, I did.
Did I just become her bitch?
Yes, you did.
Oh God. She could at least bought me a drink first.
Okay, we're here at the Mad Tea Party again.
I'm really thirsty. 5.
Our segment number 5.
Yeah, we're standing in line for number 5 of drinking today. we have many, but the line is so long.
It is. Look, the line is long. We're at the Mad Tea Party. So guess what? We're on a fucking private tram right now.
Babe, we fucking tow
Please
up.
hold on to hats, glasses, or any
Because look,
loose
girl,
items
she's
that could fall
gone.
from the train.
She's gone.
If an article
Look,
should fall,
but
please
we got a
stay
fucking
seated
private
until the
tram,
next
girl.
stop and inform the nearest cast member.
Because it's your birthday. Your private tram, girl. Look, you see anybody on the back? No, yeah.
You know how crowded it is right now?
And we got a fucking our own tram right now.
Santi was like, "Are you sick?"
Are you sick? Girl, is she sick?
I
Small
said,
kind, yeah.
"Oh, squash a little bit of
Squash a little bit of
both."
both.
And she's like, "Hey, guys, come over here."
Come small kind over here. So she did. She let us come on the tram.
Okay, it is hella crowded back there. It's like hella crowded.
Yes,
Driver,
and
clear.
look, there's nobody in the back of us.
But me, Phil,
D over here. Girl, she's not driving back home.
no.
Just saying. She's staying at the
We're gonna
hotel.
get her Kamila, we're gonna get some wood fig.
Food fair,
She'll
girl.
be
We're gonna get
hungry
food fair.
hair.
Because girl, we are all hungry.
And we're all
Hey.
hungry.
And girl, we're right now. It is almost midnight, and we're doing all of this again tomorrow morning at our call time tomorrow is at 6:30 a.m. like it was this morning.
Friends Tram Stop,
But
which
anyways,
serves the Mickey and
us.
Friends
That's
parking
us.
structure and
But
the
yeah, in
Pinocchio
our
parking
private
area.
tram. But anyway,
Please remain seated with the doors closed
we're gonna go
until
back
the
to
tram comes
the
to a full
Kawila.
stop. Then
Bradford
gather
Food
your
Fair,
belongings,
and
lower
then
your
go back
head,
to the
and
hotel
watch your
head.
step, exiting to the
and
driver's
maybe
left.
go drink Lee's and get some
On behalf
drink.
of all our cast members, we'd like to thank you for joining us today.
That are still up after this long day is us. We won.
It's my birthday. I'm supposed to be blacked out.
Right? But she's
But my fucking professional.
But
Knocked
you
out?
want to see? You want to see something messed up? Look, I don't know if you can see it, but
Calvi is
Calvi's like she's
knocked out.
She's KTFO.
Everyone else.
Everyone is KTFO right now.
Knocked the
And
fuck out.
knocked
Come
out.
on.
And
Knocked
me
the fuck out.
and her is the only one that's up right now.
Fucking knocked.
And we are still up.
We wanted to go to the bar and have one more drink.
I wanted to have one more drink. I was expecting that Calvi would be downstairs having
We would
another
have
drink.
another drink, but we drank everything.
Yeah, we did. We did.
Drank everything.
I'm like, We did. That's fun right now.
And this motherfucking town of Anaheim don't have any hard liquor.
They don't have. Target does not have hard
Target
liquor.
doesn't have
No,
hard
they
liquor.
they have alcohol, but they don't have
The gas station don't have
yeah,
hard
the gas
liquor.
station. What the fuck?
Nobody in Anaheim have hard liquor.
I'm very, very, very disappointed. But yeah,
Tomorrow's
I'm
another
actually,
day.
you know, I'm more disappointed in Calvi because he's sleeping right now. Well, actually, you can hear him snoring. Actually,
Take my makeup off.
so I guess although we want to have a drink, we're just gonna go to sleep
Guess we're
now.
just gonna go to sleep
We're just gonna
then.
sleep because I guess our call
Tomorrow.
time tomorrow morning is at 6:30.
What? Mate, last night we went to sleep at 3.
Yeah, 3.
What?
Right now it's only 12:30. Right now it's still early.
We were only going on 3 hours of sleep.
Exactly.
Whatever.
So you know
Look at
what?
me. Why can't we want another drink? We want another drink.
So anyways, I guess we're gonna go to bed now. So
Good night.
good night. And I'm driving.
No, I'm not driving. I'm just riding.
Drinking and driving.
Right, kind of drive sober.